Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a listing on Ticketmaster. Whether you have extra tickets for an event or just want to resell them, this process is simple and straightforward. Let's get started. Creating a listing is a great way to make sure your tickets don't go to waste and can help someone else enjoy the event. It's also a secure way to sell tickets without any hassle. First, open the Ticketmaster app or go to the browser version on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, go to your account dashboard. Here you'll see options like My Events or My Listings. Click on My Events to find the ticket you want to sell. Make sure you double-check the event, date, and seat information before creating a listing. Accuracy is key to avoid any confusion for buyers. Next, select the event and click on the Sell Tickets or Create Listing button. You'll then be prompted to enter the details for your listing. This includes the number of tickets, the price per ticket, and any delivery method information. Ticketmaster often suggests a price based on demand, but you can adjust it as you see fit. After filling in the details, review your listing carefully. Make sure the ticket information, event date, seat number, and price are all correct. Once you're happy with everything, click Submit or Post Listing. Ticketmaster will then publish your listing, making it available to potential buyers. A little tip: keep an eye on your listing in case buyers have questions or if you need to adjust the price. You can always edit or remove your listing if needed. Also, Ticketmaster will handle the payment securely once someone purchases your ticket, so you don't have to worry about payment issues. And that's it. You've successfully created a listing on Ticketmaster. It's a quick and easy way to sell your tickets safely. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who might need this guide. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.